In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix command prompt CMD not working and opening on Windows 10 or 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say it's not opening. This could be due to a bug. So what you want to do firstly is go over to your task manager like so. And all I want to do is go over to details. And then what I want to do is try and find CMD. Once I find it, all I got to do is go ahead and right click on it and then press end task. If it's not showing up, however, what I could go ahead and do is type in CMD like so. Instead of just opening it up normally, what I want to do instead is firstly, I can open up the file location, which is going to look like this. Right click on it, go to show more options, and then go to properties. I want to see a lot of different things here. So I can basically just go through all of these settings, check if there's any previous versions that you're able to download as well. And then I think the best thing what you can do is switch it to read only, press apply, and then once it's done, take it off read only, press apply again, then press OK. Now, when I go ahead to open up command prompt, so I'm just going to type in CMD again, I want to run it as administrator this time to ensure that it definitely opens, because if you run it as administrator, you're always going to have the right to open it. So it's as simple as that. Now, command prompt is open and you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out our other videos that we've been posting over on the channel.